from yesterday on live. So this is the time lapse. We have to do it today. It went up. You saw it. We have to do it today because otherwise it will be removed. The new one will replace it. So this is about 29. See people. So this is part of the ship. So here we don't see anything. You see the sun in this shape. You see here like you have a structure, like a pyramid on the top of the edge. And here's another one identical. So the two pyramids identical on the edge. And then this another edge, like a wing, goes down. And this is like a square or like an interior that we see actually inside. We see here inside. So we see part of it from above, like a volcano vent. So here we have stuff. Often we see the sun or the moon here, and it comes carried away. But you see the size of the sun compared to this ship. So this ship is very big, huge. It's huge, people. So it went up. So this is so we go to the other one. We wait until the sun comes. Like a arena or swimming pool, like we see inside volcano vent. And this is an edge, and this is another edge or wing. It's one wing up, one wing down. So you see it, and see how the sun size compared to this one. So this the sun fits in here. It's like something inside coming up. This one. This is the ship from yesterday on live.
So this is a repeat.
So this is the time lapse.
This is the first part
we have
repeated.
to do it today. It went up.
So we saw this part, we saw it twice. So this is the second time we're seeing. Then we maybe catch up to the second part, second web camera to see it once again. So 2 times each webcam. So this is number 1, and we see it for the second time. To compare between the two identical ships, spaceships seen in the sky yesterday. From 2 different web cameras.
So here we don't see anything until the sun comes.
And the distance between the two cities about 10 kilometers. And they saw the same thing in the sky captured on the web camera.
You see the sun in this shape. You see,
so this is
like
the first sighting.
Like a pyramid on the top of the edge, and here's another one identical. So the two pyramids identical on the edge. Another edge, like a wing, goes down, and this is like a square or like an interior that we see actually inside. The part of it from above, like a volcano. So here we have stuff. Often we see the sun or the moon here.
So that's all, people. Enjoy.
And it comes carried away. But you see